we have officially unboxed this guitar. It absolutely looks fabulous. I love the frets. This would require very minimal fret work. The body is awesome, very smooth. So was the neck. I love the neck. I could just imagine playing riffs with a neck. It's super smooth as well. So now let's move on to the hardware. We got a pick guard here, and cool stuff. You can see it's got like a peel here, so it's protecting it from scratches. So just a parts check. We got the knobs. We got our 2 humbuckers. So let's take a look at our humbuckers here. Wow, they're pretty decent actually. If you see, this is absolutely beautiful. So there's 2 of them. Nice. We got our Allen wrench. I think this is for adjusting the truss rod. And we also have our cable. And then moving on to another package here. So yeah, while we have this here, okay, I can't help but try to position them here to see how they look like. And man, it's super sexy. There you go. So of course this may not be the correct position. So it should be like this. And this should be like this. And then the knobs. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the knobs together. So more stuff here. Here's another package. Right, this one has the strings, so it should be 7. Let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually complete, so that's good attention to detail. Some manufacturers would send you a 7-string kit and only send you 6 strings. I've heard some builders who had this issue. Well, good for Guitar Kit World, they actually sent me 7 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so this is our electronics. It's actually pre-soldered, so which is good. We got our bridge posts here. Okay. Well, they're pretty nice and decent. I had the same bridge post for my guitar. Alright, let's put it back here. Alright, here's the actual bridge. I'm actually quite excited to mount this bridge to the guitar. So that's super neat. That's nice. This one should go here. And the other part of the bridge, this is the one that holds the strings. Alright, let me just get my camera to focus. There you go. Nice. Very clean. This one should go here. Alright, we have our tuning knobs. So I'm just going to pick up one of them. So this is one of our tuning knobs. It looks pretty nice. It doesn't have any rust or any sign of wear and tear, so good. Here are the screws that came with it. So this should be complete here. This one's the metal part that's holding the pick guard.
A few moments later.
So there you go. I have cleared up some space and this guitar is already looking so sexy. I can't wait to see how it would look like if it was built. Alright, so overall, the hardware that came with it wasn't so bad. It's actually pretty decent. But of course, for our advanced builders, they don't really order the kit with all the hardware because you have the freedom to actually upgrade them. So these are standard size humbuckers. And with that being said, standard size or the normal size of humbuckers would actually fit this guitar. So our advanced builders, they always have the freedom to upgrade the parts. Right now, Guitar Kit World doesn't have or doesn't offer branded parts, but we may do that in the future. So right now, what we have are all generic parts here. So these are all generic parts. But again, yeah, you have the freedom to upgrade those parts. Change the pick guards, change the pickups, change the tone knobs, the volume knobs, and everything. That pretty much wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Until next time, rock on.